Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Fidelity account. First, navigate to the Fidelity website or open their mobile app on your device. Look for the prominent Login button, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click or tap this button to proceed. You will then be prompted to enter your unique username and password. Ensure you type these credentials accurately to avoid any access issues. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your personalized Fidelity dashboard. This central hub provides an overview of your investments. Your main accounts, such as brokerage or retirement accounts, are typically displayed prominently here. To dive deeper, look for navigation options like Accounts and Trade or Portfolio, which will lead you to more detailed information about your holdings and balances. To find specific details for any of your accounts, simply click on its name from the dashboard. This action will take you to a dedicated page for that particular account. Here, you'll usually find your full account number listed under a section like Account Details or Summary. For important documents such as monthly statements or tax forms like Form 1099, navigate to the Statements or Documents section, often found in the main menu. If you encounter any difficulty logging in, don't worry. Utilize the Forgot Username or Password link on the login page to reset your credentials. For more complex issues or if you need personalized assistance, Fidelity's customer service team is readily available to help you. You can find their contact information on the website. And for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.